Welcome students. This is the second part of the topic logical instructions of 8085 microprocessor. In this video you will see various rotate instructions and then I will tell you about the important concepts and frequently asked questions from the topic. So students, please watch the video completely and thoroughly and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more contents. So let's start with the topic. In 8085 microprocessor, these four instructions are used to perform the rotate operation, and this rotate operation is performed on the accumulator contents, which is the default operand for all logical instructions. Rotate instructions are used to rotate the bits of accumulator either left direction or the right direction, but one at a time. One more thing students, in all rotate instructions, the sign, zero, auxiliary carry and parity flags will not modify. Only the carry flag may get affected. So what is the use of rotate instructions? Where you can use? Normally these instructions are used to either increase or decrease the contents of the accumulator. While you move or rotate the bits towards left direction, you can increase the content of accumulator, or you can say you can perform multiply by 2 operation, and while moving towards the right direction you can decrease or can perform divide by 2 operation. So let's proceed with the first instruction, which is RAL. RAL instruction, this opcode is the short form of rotate accumulator left. In this instruction, each bit of accumulator is rotated left by one position through the carry flag. So students, look into this picture. Here you can see that the D0 bit is copied into the D1 and D1 bit will copied into the D2 and so on. This D7 bit, which is the MSB bit of accumulator, will be copied into the carry flag and carry flag value will be copied into the D0. In this way, total rotate operation is performed. So let's take an example. I am assuming that accumulator has 8-bit number A5 hex and the initial carry flag value is 0. So first writing its binary equivalent, it is 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is A5, carry flag value is 0. Now performing the RAL instruction. So D0 bit is copied into D1, which is the 1, D1 into D2, it is 0, and then 1 0 0 1 0, and this bit of D7 is copied into the carry flag. Now it is 1 and carry flag bit is copied into the D0. So it will be 0. So let's find out what will be the value of accumulator. So combining these 4 bits, we have 4, and these 4 bits 8 and 2 10, then 4A hex, and now the carry flag value after the execution of this RAL instruction we have 1. Rest of the flags will remain same. So in this way this instruction is executed. Now let's see another instruction, RLC instruction. RLC stands for the rotate accumulator left but not through the carry. In this instruction, each bit of accumulator is rotated left by one position but not through the carry. So students, don't get confused by this C in the instruction. Here you can see that D7 bit is copied into the carry flag and the same bit is copied into the D0 bit. Now let's again take the example. So accumulator has A5 hex and initial carry flag value is assuming 0. Its binary equivalent is 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 1. Carry flag initial value is 0. Now performing the RLC operation. So this D0 bit is copied into the D1, 1 and so on. Copying the contents, moving towards the left, we have this, and D4 into D5, D5 into D6, D6 into D7. And this D7 bit will be copied into the carry flag. So the carry flag value is now 1, and same this D7 bit will be copied into the D0 bit. So now it should be 1. So what will be the accumulator value? Combining the 4 bits, we have 4, and these 4 bits are 4B hex. So this is the 8-bit number in the accumulator, and carry flag value is 1. Moving ahead, now RAR instruction. This instruction is very similar to RAL instruction, but here the bits will move towards the right direction through the carry. So once again, taking the example, accumulator has A5 hex and initial carry flag value is 0. I am taking same example in each case to make the difference between the rotate instructions. So A is 1 0 1 0, 5 is 0 1 0 1, carry flag value is 0. Now perform RAR operation. So D7 bit is copied into the D6, so it will be 1, then D6 into D5, D5 into D4, and so on. Moving onwards, 0, D2 into D1, and D1 into D0. Now this D0 bit will be copied into the carry flag. So now it will be 1, and carry flag value, which was 0, it will be copied into the D7. So it is now 0. Let's find out the accumulator contents. So it is, grouping the 4 bits, we have 5 and 2. So 52 hex. Carry flag value is 1. So this is the effect of RAR instruction. Now the next one is RRC instruction. So this instruction is similar to RLC instruction. Here the bits move towards the right direction but not through the carry. So once again, do not confuse with this C in the instruction. Taking the example, assuming that accumulator has A5 hex and carry flag initial value is once again 0. Now writing its binary equivalent, 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 1, A5, carry flag value is 0. Now rotate towards right direction to perform RRC instruction. So rotating the bits, now D6 will have 1, D5 will have 0, and then 1 0 0 1 and 0. This D0 bit, which was 1, will be copied into the carry flag and also copied into the MSB bit of accumulator. So it should be 1. Let's find out the contents of accumulator. Combining the 4 bits, we have D and these 4 bits 2. So D2 hex, and carry flag value is 1. So these are the 4 rotate instructions. Now students, let's see an ALP based on these logical instructions. So the problem is, assume that accumulator has 0 hex number and carry flag value is 0. Write an ALP to increase the contents of accumulator to 10 hex. So here I will write 3 programs and then I will tell you how to select the better program. The first one is where I will use increment instruction. The first step is to taking this number into the accumulator. So using instruction MVI A08 hex. This will load the accumulator with 08 hex. This step will be common in all these programs. So next step is INR. Using INR instruction, INR A. Using this, accumulator value will increase to 09 hex, and repeating this instruction 7 more times. So total 8 times I will use increment instruction and then halt. So in this way you can increase the contents of accumulator. Now the second program where I will use addition instruction. So MVI 08 hex. In this way I will take the first number, this 8-bit number, into the accumulator and then adding directly this 08 hex number with the contents of accumulator, because the difference between 10 and 08 is 8, and then halt. In ADI instruction, default destination operand is accumulator, so accumulator contents will be updated. Now the third program where I will use rotate instruction. First step is same, MVI A 08 hex, and then I will use RAL instruction which will rotate the bits of accumulator towards left direction and then halt. So rotating this 08 number towards left direction, you will have 10 hex. So this is also multiply by 2 operation. Now let's find out which program is better. For this I am calculating the number of bytes. So this instruction is using 2 bytes, rest 1 byte, so total 8 bytes, and halt is using 1 byte, total 11 bytes. This instruction in the same way I will calculate, so 2 bytes, 2 bytes and 1 byte, so total 5 bytes. In this program the first instruction 2 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, so total 4 bytes. So you can see that third program is using the lesser number of bytes in comparison to other program. That's why this program is more efficient, and we will use rotate instruction to increase the content or multiply by 2. Now let's see the important concepts from the topic. So the first one is rotate. Logical operations are used to rotate the bits only one position, and these bits are the bits of accumulator, which is the default operand. In all rotate operation, sign, 0, auxiliary, carry and parity flag will remain same. Only the carry flag will modify. The left movement or left rotation instructions can be used to increase the content of the accumulator, or you can sometimes use to perform the multiply by 2 operation. And similarly, right movement or right rotation instructions can be used to decrease the content of accumulator or divide by 2 operation. Now let's see the frequently asked questions from the topic. The first one is, assume that accumulator has 8C hex and carry flag value is 1. Illustrate the accumulator contents and carry flag after the execution of instruction RAL twice. Here you have to show every bit movement and perform the operation twice and find out the value of accumulator, carry flag after the execution of these instructions. Next one is, specify register A contents and carry flag when following instructions are executed. So perform the operation and find out the values. So students, I hope I made myself clear and you like the video. So please subscribe the channel for more contents, and if you have any queries regarding microprocessor 8085, 8086, 8051 microcontroller, or in analog electronics, digital electronics, VLSI design, VLSI EDA tools, you can write me in comment section or you can mail me. My mail ID is given in the description of the video. Thank you so much.